Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the AM Player app on your Android TV box. It could even be a Google TV. This app will work with any device running an Android operating system. Now, I want you to go over to your app library and open up the application. If you do not have that already installed, check out this YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos with different methods on downloading and installing that app. When you have that app installed already, I want you to navigate to it and open. So looking for the AM app, click on OK to open the app, and after it loads up, you find videos on this local device already listed here. So you could choose to open any of them, and with a click it begins to play. Also, you could look to the top right and you see this three drop down menu, the three dots to the top right. Click on it and you can have beside you have download. So click on the download button will prompt a download. All the apps, rather the content you have on your Android TV box or your local device is watchable right here. All you need to do is navigate to the content and click on it. When you click on those content, it starts playing automatically. And if you want to categorize them, you should get a player like NV player, a player like Pay player. But for this application, you watch all your content on your local device and it comes in the chronological order based on the date. So you have a date and the time of media creation ending with the type of media file. So if you found that insightful, check out the other players, check out the other videos on this channel, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.